So this is the heater. That's a small portable heater. This is the size of my hand next to it, so you can kind of get a gauge of how big it is. It runs about, I would say this is about 5 inches by 5 inches, and it's got a handle on it, very handy in that way. And this is going to be used as a bathroom heater, just an extra heater. It's plugged into a GFCI outlet, so it's safe. And it seems to be putting out quite a bit of heat. I'm feeling it right now. It's a little cool outside. The bathroom is cool. It don't really have heat in the bathroom, so this is a nice heater for that. If we need that extra heat, we could put this on the ground and be able to heat up the bathroom, maybe while we take a shower or a bath or something like that. This is it's pretty quiet. I'm talking over it while it's running. It's got an indicator light on top, and I think this is a winner. On-off switch in the back here. You got a little filter as well. You can open it up. You can change out the filter. Looks like a pretty good heater so far and do the job for us. Hope this helps.
So I just want to, I've done a written review, but I just wanted to do a very quick video just to show you the tilt protection in action. So I'm just going to switch this on. So we've got two settings at the back here. So we've got, oh, it's gone off already. We've got the two different fan speeds there. So we'll start again. So we're going to put it on number 1. And then I'm just going to drop it forward as if it's been knocked over. And you can see it just goes off straight away. And then we'll resume when you put it back up again. And it'll also do that. Just turn that up onto number 2. You can see the tilt action here as well, so you can angle it exactly where you want it to be. And it kicks out such a lot of warmth. So again, it's going to knock it forward. And again, it just goes straight off. So the protection for these is really is quite good. So I hope you find that the written review is helpful, and thanks for watching.
This is a really nice little heater. I have it sitting on top of my file cabinet in front of the window in my office. So I used it yesterday and it did a great job. And I didn't have to run it all day. Only thing is there's no controls on this. It won't cut off on its own that I've noticed. It got the temp up here, up in this room to 77 degrees. And then I cut it off. But very nice heat, comfortable heat.
She did it. Oh, it's very warm.